Hi friends, I'm Philak. You're watching Tech Made Be Unique, and today we're just going to see about an ultimate Android launcher like this. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. Download the Muse Launcher Themes application from the Play Store first, and you can get this exact theme setup. You can find a biggest calendar with a clock widget on the top, then followed by some application and also the docker on the bottom section. In the second page you can find a super widgets, more widgets like music player, weather widget, and followed by some iOS jail icon pack. And in the bottom section you can find all the settings you just needed, then the overall look with the super gradient background which actually create. In third page you can find battery and also YouTube search widget, and in the fourth page you can find all the application which was categorized. You can just use it directly. Go to the setting themes, just swipe down and you can just need to select the theme number 3030. Just click it and apply the theme. You can get the exact theme setup on your mobile phone, and you have other more options like settings, like quick action, and other options. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe to this channel. We will meet on next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.